Morning students, how are you? Now see exercise 6.2 question number 1. In these two parts are there. I am explaining second part to you. In this figure DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. So we need to find AD. So start with this only solution. DE is parallel to BC. It is given. Therefore, AD upon BD equal to AE upon EC. Why? By BPT, basic proportional theorem. AD upon BD 7.2 is equal to 1.8 upon 5.4, or you can write AD equal 1.8 into 7.2 upon 5.4. On this side divide. If you will change side, it will multiply. AD equal decimal 18 into 54 into 10, 54 into 10 into 10, this one 10 for this 1.8, this one 10 for 7.2, and this one 10 for 5.4. 10 cancel with 10. Here 7.2, not 5.4, so 72. 18 3s are 324s are. AD equal 24 by 10, 2.4 centimeter. This is our answer. Now see beta, next question, question number second. E and F are points on sides PQ and PR respectively of a triangle PQR. For each of the following cases state whether EF is parallel to QR. In this beta, three parts are there. Third part I am explaining to you. See student, here this one PE is given 0.18. This one PQ is given 1.28. PF is given 0.36. PR is given 2.56. So ratio we will find PE upon PQ is equal to 0.18 upon 1.28. This one you can write as 18 into 100, 128 into 100. 100 cancel with 100. Why 100? Because of these decimals. So now you can cancel this one. This one you can cancel with 2 9s are, 2 6s are, 2 4s are. 9 by 64. This one you can mention with 1. Now second ratio, which one? PF upon PR. PF upon PR, that is 0.36 upon 2.56. This one you can write as 36 into 100, 256 into 100. Because of decimals 100, 100 cancel with 100. 4 9s are, 4 6s are, 4 4s are. 9 by 64. This one you can mention as second. From first and second, PE upon PQ is equal to PF upon PR. If this one is equal, it implies EF is parallel to QR. Why? By converse of BPT. By converse of BPT. Now see question number 3. In figure, LM is parallel to BC, LN is parallel to CD. In to prove, they are asking, prove that AM upon AB equal to AN upon AD. So start with given. In given you can write LM parallel to CB and LN parallel to CD. LN parallel to CD. Then to prove, beta, you can write AM upon AB equal to AN upon AD. See proof. In triangle ABC, this one upon triangle, LM is parallel to CB. It is given. Therefore, AM upon AB equal to AL upon AC. Why? By BPT, basic proportional theorem. Mention this one as 1. Similarly, in triangle ADC, this one down one, LN is parallel to CD. It is given. Therefore, AN upon AD is equal to AL upon AC. Why? By BPT. Mention this one as second. After this, you can write from first and second. See student, RHS is same. So LHS also becomes same. AM upon AP equal to AN upon AD. Hence it is proved. Now see beta question number 4. See figure. DE is parallel to AC. DE is parallel to AC and DF is parallel to AE. Prove that BF upon FE equal to BE upon EC. Start with given. In given you can write DE parallel to BC, DE parallel to AC and DF parallel to AE. DF parallel to AE. Then to prove, you can write BF upon FE, BF upon FE equal to BE upon EC, BE upon EC. See student, proof. So first you will take this one triangle based on DE parallel to AC. So you can write in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to AC. It is given. So you can write, therefore this one BD upon DA, BD upon DA is equal to BE upon EC. Why? By BPT, basic proportional theorem. Mention this one as 1. Similarly, in triangle ABE. Why ABE? Because they have given DF parallel AE. DF parallel AE. Till here only you can take. DF parallel AE, it is given. Therefore, BD upon DA equal to BF upon FE. Why? By BPT. Mention this one as second. Then after this you can write from first and second B upon EC equal to BF upon FE. Hence it is proved. Now see question number 5. In figure, see figure, DE is parallel to OQ. DE is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to OR. Prove that this one EF is parallel to QR. So start with given. In given you can write DE is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to OR. Then to prove EF is parallel to QR. See student, proof D parallel to OQ. In which triangle? POQ. In triangle POQ, DE is parallel to OQ. It is given. Therefore, PE upon EQ equal to PT upon DO. Mention this one as 1.